So Craig, you run both Shopify and Etsy stores, which are very successful. Where's the best place to learn about how to get these skills?
So for me, I learned them in a bunch of different places, right? Often from kind of failing and experience, and from mentors and courses and a bunch of different places. And for Etsy dropshipping, I would say the best place is my channel, right? If you check out the description, there's a link called freeetsyguide.com. You go check that out. There's like 7 guides in there, probably 10 by the time this video comes out. A bunch of exclusive videos just to that particular website. So you can go check that out and obviously find out a bunch of extra information. With Shopify, I would honestly say there's a couple really good guys on YouTube. The Ecom King's a good guy that I personally like. I think his content's really good. And there's also one big guy that I do like. There's one video series that I'm currently making called The Road to 10 Million. We're on episode 4 right now when this vlog comes out. And that's really cool because I'm showing you behind the scenes of a Shopify brand, exactly what I'm doing, not holding anything back, which no one else does online. Everyone's chatting shit, everyone's bullshitting, and I don't want to be one of those guys.